In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change username on X app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And first off, you need to open up X application. Then tap right here at your profile picture. After that, down below, tap at Settings and Support to expand it. And then get into Settings and Privacy. That's where at the very top you can easily find your account, and all you have to do now is tap at Account Information. That's where at the very top we can easily find our username that starts with @ We need to tap on it, and on the next step we'll be able to change it. Right here it shows us our current username, and down below here we can enter new one. To continue, tap at Continue, and then you will be able to enter new username for your X profile. This green indicator says that the username I've entered is not taken by anyone and I can use it for my X profile. And then to save the changes, all we have to do is just hit at Done. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.